how to watch football match live. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily watch the football live in your any of your Android device or iPhone device. It works for both. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your browser, any of your browser. If you are using iPhone, probably go to Safari or any of the browser you prefer, and simply search score808.com. And once you're in the first web, click on the first website, and once you click on that, as you can see, there are a lot of live games waiting for you. As you can see, there is no live game right now at this time, but you can simply click on the category option here, and as you can see, this it's scheduled for the specific date. And once you click on the particular match like this, you will probably see need to wait for some time. It will ask you to wait for some time to add some unnecessary ads. So as you can see, in the remaining time, after the remaining time, you will probably get to see the video. So as you can see, you will be able to see the video match after probably, once you wait for some time, you can easily watch the live games from here.